Watch me. I'm about to get in my car at Walmart.
Sped. He looks so retarded. What are you looking at? Stop. You're such a weirdo.
So on YouTube, we're at Walmart, and as you can see, I'm paralyzed.
Riding on a bullshit cart
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
for
Fuck
no
you, bitch.
reason.
We're
Where are we
gonna go
going?
get some totes for the casting call we have tomorrow. Me and my sister, show yourself.
The hello?
We're going to get some carts. Some bags for our school supplies. But we should wear something like that. Or like Jasmine will wear that. She'd be like, look at my breasts.
She's like, this is so cute. Ooh, hopefully she doesn't ever see this.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, I wanted one of those white bags. See these white bags right here? That'd be cute to carry like our school stuff. Oh, wait,
What?
okay.
School
We're here
stuff?
at the tote place. We're not going to carry a bag with like papers in it.
We are here, we are here, we are here.
We're not going to carry a bag.
You shall.
We're not going to carry a bag with our stuff in it.
What stuff?
Whatever. We're going to go buy some school supplies.
We're buying school supplies.
So what bag should I carry? I kind of want this purse. Ought to be like school. Like, I'm in college. Fuck you.
Your nipples are hard.
Who the fuck cares? There's nothing but old Mexicans in here unloading stuff. What bag are we going to carry?
This $3 one right here. The one with Barbie.
This has America on it.
Hey, God bless America.
Oh, that's not him. That's...
Here they are on the other side. Let's walk.
We
She
need
just
totes.
left her card and her purse. These are
I
cute.
want them. But these are not totes.
Oh
Don't touch my car, bitch. You gotta sit down to move.
my God. Sped.
You know what I'm saying? I got
Here's your backpacks.
backpack.
Wow. Sorry, excuse us.
Ooh, they got the fishnet one.
Oh my God.
It has colored handles, Brittany.
Aren't you special? Wow.
I don't
These,
like that.
they're the people.
I don't like the way that one's looking at me. Oh, look how he's looking at me.